If you need to rent for a period of time before you buy, this might be a great option for you. I'm showing you what's possible at Balcara, at Meridiana, and Manville, Texas today. More and more communities like this have been popping up throughout the greater Houston area. These rental communities built within really popular new construction communities like this one at Meridiana on the south side of Houston. I've also featured a similar rental community in Balmoral on the north side. So if you haven't checked that one out, I'll add the link to it here also. So these are luxury rental townhome communities, and what's making these so incredibly popular lately is the fact that you can take advantage of community amenities like the pools, splash pads, parks, all the walking areas, all the things while renting in the community. We've also seen this be an amazing way for buyers who are building homes in these communities to start living their lives here in the community. Many of these townhome communities have relationships with the builders to help further coordinate your transition to moving into the homes you're actually building. They also will accommodate shorter term stays like 3 months, 6 months if you're waiting on your home to finish. I love this as an option for people. For these particular homes, rent is between $2,700 and $2,800 a month, depending on what floor plan you go with, less if you commit to a longer term like 12 months and over. 3 and 4 bedroom plans here, some even with studies and flex spaces. Living areas and kitchens are down, and bedrooms, bathrooms, flex areas are all upstairs. And then the cherry on top is definitely the garage spaces. Each home has its own garage with separate entrance, and also the amenities here in this complex too. It's got its own amenity center, fitness center, and pool area. If you're ready to move into a community like Meridiana, reach out for more info on plans and availability. Would love to be your guide through the process.